So hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will be making Spin and Requiem with right and left spin mode. So as you can see, here's my template and it will be having the Jetta driver, but the Jetta driver will be not functional because I have tried several times to make the Jetta driver, but I am not getting the tips, and it is not making by my hand. So the Jetta driver will be not a functional Jetta driver, it will have a balanced type performance. So let's begin without wasting any time. So guys, to make the layer you need these following cardboard pieces. First you need these three cardboard pieces look like this, and there are two cardboard pieces look like this. But guys, this second number cardboard piece, hole on the middle will be perfectly fitting on this Boston system, as you can see. And I have taken a circle tip on the ground side to make the rotating part, and as you can see it's rotating. So first take the template and just stick this cut piece on the top, just means on the bottom, like that. Then guys, just place the Boston system, and then just stick the second number card piece like that. As you can see, the burst function system is working very properly. Then after sticking these pieces, just stick these three cardboard pieces like this, and then stick this all the cardboard pieces on the bottom. So let me show you after sticking all the cardboard pieces. So guys, as you can see, the layer is fully ready now. As you can see, with that counter cockroach and cockroach mode, it also works here, as you can see. So now let's make the disc of Spin and Requiem. So guys, to create the oval disc you need these following cardboard pieces. There are two cardboard pieces which is little bit bigger from these three cardboard pieces. So first stick these three cardboard pieces together like this, and then stick these two cardboard pieces together and stick this three cardboard piece like this three cardboard piece, and just stick this on the top of this two cardboard piece like that. So let me show you of sticking. So guys, to create the Jetta driver, you need these following cardboard pieces. There are small means, as you can see, this is a lower bottle cap. You need a lower bottle cap. Two pieces look like this, which will be attaching here like this, and six pieces look like this. They are all same. Just stick them one by one like that. So first stick these two pieces here with a super glue, and then stick all the pieces. Then so guys, our Spin and Requiem Beyblade is fully ready, as you can see, with the Spin layer, with the disc, with the Jetta driver. But the Jetta driver is not functional. As you can see, I have made it fully detailed, and later I will color it red. So and the layer has the counterclockwise plus clockwise mode, as you can see. First let's set up the bay in left spin mode. So guys, as you can see, the Beyblade is fully set up in left spin mode. Here, as you can see, and here's a tip, a balance type tip. Now let's set up the bay in right spin mode. So guys, now the bay in right spin mode, as you can see. So guys, now let's do some test spin with the bay, and let's see how the bay spins, and to do some test vessels, and let's see how the bay gives the attacks to the other way. So guys, here's my Astro Spin bay in right spin mode, and here's the DB launcher. Now let's spin the bay. So guys, as you can see, it locks very well. Now let's set up the bay in left spin mode and then spin it. So guys, here's my left spin mode, as you can see. So now let's spin it. So guys, now let's do some test battles with the bay. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, go and like the video now and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest notification of my new video. So this is for today. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.